Hi, I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to show you the best way to clear your lungs and clear phlegm from your chest at home. First of all, we're going to go through the steps you need to do to cough most effectively, and I'm going to take you through step by step. Then we'll go through when to use this coughing technique and how often you should do this at home. Now, when you cough repeatedly and nothing shifts, the mucus in your lungs gets stuck in these outer parts of your lungs. And that's when it can get infected. So what we're going to do is shift the phlegm from these outer parts of the lungs into these central airways here, so that you can actually then more easily cough it up out of the central airways. So Paul's come in today to help us with our coughing technique, and he's going to be helping me demonstrate to you how to use this technique along with the deep breathing to clear the chest. All right, so what we're going to start with, Paul, is your back's against the chair, your chest is lifted. All right, so I want you to start with 3 deep breaths. Now I'm going to place my hands around the base of your rib cage there, and I want you to breathe that direction, but I want you to breathe into my hands. So breathe into my hands, good, and let the air just fall away. Great. Let's repeat that again. Try not to use the muscles up here. Try to breathe into my hands and use your belly. That's much better. And let the air just fall away. So try not to force it out. Just let the air come out gently. That's it. And let the air just come out gently. That was great. Okay, so breathing into the lower part of the ribs, it's going to expand the rib cage and help to shift those secretions. Now, we're going to go to relaxed breaths, so just a couple of relaxed breaths. Good, you feeling comfortable?
Yep.
Great. Okay, we're going to go into 3 more deep breaths, then we'll be using our Huff technique to get rid of all the secretions. So again, deep breath into my hands. So this is like a preparation exercise for the technique we're about to use. It'll stop you getting dizzy when we do that technique. And it's now currently milking some of the secretions through to your central airways. Great, we've got 1 more to go. So hands on the rib cage, good. And good, and relaxed breath. So here comes the really important exercise for clearing your chest. This is called a huff. Now what you do is you take a half breath or a medium-sized breath in, and I'll do a demonstration, then I'll get you to do it. So it's a half breath in and it's a you can see I'm really pushing that air out for as long as I can and really forcefully.
Okay.
So I'm going to get you to do the same thing in that direction. Again, try not to cough if you can at this stage, because we're trying to draw the secretions to the central airways. Okay, so a half breath in and forcefully go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Good, and come back up. Wasn't too bad, but try not to bend forward if you can. Try to stay tall if you're able to. So we're going to go again. Just a half breath, keep the mouth open and push it out, push the air out. Really keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. That is excellent. Keep going, great, and stop. And now here's a tissue. If you need to cough again that direction, small cough. Great. And so now, just returning to your relaxed breath. That's it, nice and steady. So Paul, you could perform that technique again once more, that whole little routine that we've gone through once more, and you might do that at home again 1 more time. So what you could find is that your secretions move straight away, or at home you might find that over the next hour, you find that when you cough, the phlegm actually starts to shift into the central airway so you can start to cough it out. So thank you very much for your help today.
That's okay.
So how many times to do this routine? If it feels comfortable, you can do this technique that I've just shown you up to 2 times in a row, but no more than this in 1 session, otherwise your oxygen levels can fall. I'll list this routine in the description below too, so that you can refer back to it later on. Now, when to do this technique? Ideally during an exacerbation, you might find that doing this whole routine twice a day, ideally in the morning and night, helps you clear your chest and cough more effectively. So I really hope this technique helps you cough more effectively and feel much better. If it helps, or perhaps if it doesn't, let me know in the comments below. I'm really keen to hear your questions and your comments. Thank you for watching today. If you've enjoyed this video, give it the thumbs up below. And don't forget to check out my video to help you with your deep breathing. It's coming up next. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. You then draw your secretions to the center, and what did you just do with that tissue?
Put it on the ground.
Nice, nice.
Oh, sorry.